Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and in this video, I want to give you guys a swing play opportunity that doesn't have the best fundamental outlook, but on a technical level, could provide some upside in the next couple trading sessions. So the stock we're looking at here today is FaceDrive. So FaceDrive has a lot of components to its business. They have a ride service, they have a delivery service, they have an emphasis on green energy, being renewable, having an EV as the source of transportation. This is a company that is a SPAC, and it had a monstrous run here early on when everything else is going up. This is a company that is going through a tough period right now. You have management that is resigning. You have a lot of outside selling pressure right now on the stock. If you look at the volume today, absolutely insane. We had a ton of selling today. And so you asked me, if this company is so bad, why are we trying to buy this? And simply put, we look right here at our RSI. We have a 14 RSI. Just for reference, anything under 30 is considered oversold. And so when you get to oversold territories, that's usually when you want to be a buyer of a stock, because you never want to buy at a 70 RSI or a high RSI, because that means the stock is overbought. And so we're looking at a 14 RSI. It is half of 30. So this is extremely oversold. I haven't seen a stock hit a 14 RSI in a very long time. I personally thought this stock was a buy a couple trading sessions ago, but back to back 30% days down, this stock is going to get a sympathy bounce, and I do think that is going to come on Monday or Tuesday. I don't think Tuesday, it has to come Monday. This has just been such a dramatic fall for the stock that if you are getting in on a trade basis, this is going to be a great play. This is not a long-term hold by any means until this company proves that they are worth their price point. Disclaimer, I do have a position in FaceDrive. It's a very small position, but it is a swing trade for myself. If I zoom in on our chart, I actually do still have a target level of around 537 and then eventually at around $7.30. And so at these prices, the stock may not be cheap per se, however, it is oversold. I want to reiterate again, this is not a long position. So yes, the price point of the stock is extremely attractive, given that the 52-week high was 60 and we tested a low of $2.14 and we clawed our way all the way back up to 237. If we look at our levels of support and resistance, that coincides with a very solid close above our last level of support. This started our whole run. So we are back to the bottom now with FaceDrive. And so getting in today is one of those plays where if you just hold for a day, you will get a crazy bounce on this one, and that bounce is where you'd want to sell. And so yes, I understand that fundamentally this company is not the best. There's a lot of bearish things going on with this company, but remember, the stock price is never the company, and the company is never the stock price. So whenever you see a crazy sell-off, you will eventually see a dead cat bounce regardless of how trash the company is. And so we're looking at this play. Look for FaceDrive to have a nice bounce on Monday or Tuesday. This is a play that I've mentioned in my Patreon, and so I wanted to make a video on it today because I do think today was probably the bottom in the short term. We should see our RSI come back at least back into our purple range, and then from there you could make a decision. But I do think at these prices this is a great opportunity for a swing play. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. If you guys want to get buy alerts, sell alerts for real-time picks, click the link and join my Patreon. Otherwise, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.